safety engineers, technology isn't standing still and neither should you. The landscape is shifting as artificial intelligence reshapes the way we approach safety engineering. We're not talking about chasing distractions or empty trends here. This is about real progress that makes your work more efficient, your decisions smarter, and your career more secure. Imagine a course that's built purely for you, one that doesn't waste time on theory, but focuses on practical, action-oriented learning with cutting-edge insights you can apply immediately. Our comprehensive course is designed to arm you with the latest AI-powered techniques you need to stay ahead. It teaches you how to automate repetitive tasks, analyze complex data in seconds, and identify risks long before they turn into costly problems. Now more than ever, it's about transforming how you work so that every minute counts. Plus, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This training is not about adding more to your plate, but about reshaping your approach so you can focus on what truly matters. By mastering these skills, you take control of your role and become indispensable in any team. You're not just keeping pace with change, you're setting the pace for the future of safety engineering. Find all the AI for Safety Engineers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com. Embrace the future confidently and unlock your potential.